You could definitely go ahead and just type this into Desmos if you want. However, I think it's more efficient to just really understand how to get the key characteristics from the equation. So the two characteristics that you need to know are the center and the radius. So the center is always opposite of whatever's here, comma, opposite of whatever's here. So in this case, it's +3, +4, and this is always r squared. So if r squared is 4, when you take the square root, technically you get ±2. However, in a real life or geometry problem like this, you're not going to have a negative radius because that means a negative distance, we can't really have. So now let's go ahead and do process of elimination. For me, the easiest thing to identify is the center being 3, 4. So we'll go ahead and click here so that we can start eliminating options. This does look like 3, 4, so I'll keep it in the running. This definitely does not. It's in the first, second, third quadrant, meaning it has a negative x and a negative y. So that's incorrect. It's for people who don't know you have to take opposite of each, but we know better, right? And then here, it does look like the center is 3, 4, so I'll keep it in the running. This one, definitely not. So now we have a 50-50 chance here. And now we just got to figure out which of these shows a radius of 2. Well, the way a radius works is it's from the center to any point on the circle. So notice the center we know is at 3, 4. So the x-coordinate is 3. And then if you go 2 to the right, you should be at 5. And that does look good to me right there, that one is the correct answer. But we'll just confirm it real quick by contrasting it with option C, where even though the center is at 3, 4, notice from the 3, it's going all the way to 7. It's showing a radius of 4. Again, playing on the kind of student who doesn't realize that you have to take the square root of this number on the right side of the equal sign. So the correct answer is A.